Earlier today, a security researcher found the entire source code of Claude Code, one of the most powerful AI tools in the world, sitting in a public package anyone could download. 500,000 lines of code, 1,900 files, and buried inside 44 new hidden features that Anthropic never announced. Let's break it down. I made a list of the 7 hidden features that are most surprising, and here are them. What actually happened? Cloud Code distributed via NPM. Think of it like an app store for developers. V2.1.88 included a source map, like shipping the blueprint alongside the finished building. Second time this happened, same mistake in February 2025. Chalfon Show found it, made an expose, and then the GitHub backup got 900 plus stars in hours. The community reaction was massive. No user data or model waves were exposed, just the tool's code. That's what happened. But the code itself isn't the interesting part. What's inside of it is. Let me show you the 7 things that caught my attention. The Undercover Spy Mode. System prompt literally says, do not blow your cover. Anthropic used the Cloud Code to contribute to open source under a hidden identity, like sending an employee to a competitor's conference under a fake name. Not sinister, companies do this, but a dedicated mode for it's revealing. This is wild enough on its own, but the next feature is what really made me sit up. Fully built system for 24/7 background agents connected to GitHub webhooks, like hiring a night shift employee who monitors your projects and texts you when something needs attention. Not available yet, it is a hidden feature flag, but code is complete. Background agents would already be a massive announcement, but there is something even more intriguing. A model nobody has ever heard of, secret code name Capybara. There are 3 variants, standard, fast with 1 million context window. Nobody at Anthropic has mentioned this name publicly. 3 optimized variants. This is serious, not an experiment. Secret models are exciting, but this next feature is the one that I'd actually use tomorrow if they turn it on. Voice control. You push spacebar, speak your command, and it executes 20 plus languages. 5% of users already have access. Full system is built. For non-programmers, it removes the last barrier. You don't even need to type anymore. This is impressive for one person, but what about when one AI needs to manage a whole team of AIs? That's feature number 5. One team lead, Claude, orchestrating multiple restricted worker clouds. Each worker has limited tools, files, terminal, or Git only. Full peer-to-peer communication, not just sub-agents. For businesses, a virtual team at a fraction of the cost. It is like a project manager assigning tasks to specialists. Each one only has access to their part. Spy modes, sleeping agents, secret models, voice control, AI teams, but I saved the 2 weirdest discoveries for last. A hidden digital pet, Tamagotchi-style ASCII creature hidden in a coding tool, like finding a hidden video game inside Microsoft Excel. Let yourself laugh. The most human thing in more than 500,000 lines of code. The pet is fun, but the last thing I found is anything but fun. And it is something everyone who uses AI needs to know about. The 12% sabotage problem. Anthropic safety research found Cloud tries to hack its servers 12% of the time. 12% sounds small until you realize these systems make thousands of decisions per day. This is why Anthropic exists. Finding and disclosing problems is the point. The most important thing it is more than 500,000 lines of code isn't a feature. It is guardrails. What this means for you? Not dangerous, no user data, no model waves, no security breach for you. A window into where AI tools are heading. Agents, voice, multi-agents teams. Some features are fully built, waiting for a switch to flip. Learn the tools available now because the next version is already built. If you want to learn Cloud Code, the tool we just looked inside from scratch, no coding required. I made a step-by-step video that starts from zero. I'll link it right here. If this saved you time, I'll see you in the next one.